It's that time again. We are going to set up our monthly, this time for February 2024. I am using the undated month on one, and this is a fantastic way for you to get organized with your business. I am using as my decorative elements this month the Just One More Chapter kit from Tula 12, and I'm going to start by putting the dates on. I am using a sampler sheet. The sampler sheet comes with month stickers, with days of the week stickers, the dates of the month. It also comes with some icons and some other fun ways for you to be able to decorate and utilize your planners. Next up, you're going to see me adding some washi tape. Again, the washi tape is part of the Just One More Chapter COP kit, or Create, Organize, and Plan. It has some beautiful books on it in browns and blues, and then the statement, Just One More Chapter. Now, you know how much I love my Stampin' Write markers from Stampin' Up. Again, I am not a demonstrator for them, but I have many friends that are, and these are my favorite pens to use in our planners. They are fantastic for our inserts, no bleed through and no ghosting, and they come in a variety of colors. If you are in the market for a Stampin' Write marker set, let me know and I will hook you up with my Stampin' Up people. Another thing that I love about using this planner insert is that I can customize it to what I want it to. As you can see, I extended that first column, also the second and third columns. I can add it what I want, take out what I want, and make them kind of work for me. And that is what I love the most about this particular insert. Next step is prettying it up with some stickers. Again, using the stickers from the Just One More Chapter kit. I'm going to cover up this nice little area right here with a Celebrate sticker, as that is my PV. I am going to add some decorative elements, books, some washi strips, other fun elements that I can put right into the pages to make it pop out and make me want to plan inside of it. Next up, let's get a title in there. I wanted to stick with the writing on the washi tape, so I'm using a form of cursive. I can do cursive. It's not real beautiful, but the best way to get better at it is to practice. And so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just writing out February in cursive and pencil, and then I will go back over it in pen. Next up, let's add some titles to those columns. I'm going to start with qualified. That allows me to be able to keep track of all of my level ones that are qualified throughout the month. The next box is going to be leaders. And then you'll see I have to flip back a page because I couldn't remember what I needed for my third one. And my third row is events. And I love being able to just flip back and see what I did the month before. so that I can write them and draw them out as I am creating. The fourth box I'm going to do is new heroes. I like to track those new people coming into my level 1 corporation. The next box is my rank qualifications. For the current rank that I am, I like to track what I am doing as far as team volume, my own personal volume, and tracking to make sure that I hit my rank each month. The next box is my current rank. So I like to date when I hit those current ranks throughout the month so that I know what I am able to accomplish and when my goals should be set for those particular times. And then you'll see in the very last box, I'm going to go ahead and write out different personal volume milestones. As I work to finish out filling out my columns, this is our February layout in the month on 1. Please follow Cannin Plannin for more tips, like and subscribe, and as always, share if you found this information valuable.